In this clip, I'm going to be showing you how to rethread the sewing machine with the color thread that matches the gimp. First, you're going to take the color thread that matches your gimp, and you're going to put it on your sewing machine. Make sure it goes through the open part of this metal thing. Loop it around the circle, and we have these little bobbers, and there's a hole. Put the thread through the hole, and we're gonna make sure the bobber has thread on it. Then we're going to put it in this bottom half. And this is the part that goes through the bottom part of your fabric. Okay. Okay, and now we have the whole machine threaded with the same thread that matches the gimp.